G'day folks, Rod from My Water Filter here today, and what we're going to do is just have a look at installing the Ecosoft hard water shower conditioner. So we've got the good old Australian arm, 1/2 inch BSP thread coming straight off the wall, and we're simply going to install the Ecosoft hard water shower conditioner here, alright? So first thing we're going to do is we put a towel down on the floor in case we drop a tool or anything like that. We don't want to break a tile. Moving on from there, we're just going to simply take the existing shower off the wall, and then we're going to replace the Ecosoft, okay? So just take your time. This is all pretty simple stuff, but we just want to take it easy as we go, okay? So we'll take that one off the wall there. You can give it a bit of a dry. Make sure there's no extra bits of thread tape or anything stuck on there that you don't want there, and clean it up. And then we're going to get there and just put some good old plumber's tape straight around that 1/2 inch thread, okay? So on with our plumber's tape. Don't want to cover the front face, so keep it on the outside on the wall. Give him 6 turns and rip him off. And then we get the Ecosoft. There is a washer in the end, and I'd leave that in there. It's a hard washer. It's not going to squash. It shouldn't constrict the flow rate at all. But if you've got plenty of thread tape on there and a good thread, then that washer can actually be taken out to make sure you're going to maximise the flow rate through this device. Just remember, I don't advise to put 2 devices in a row. I wouldn't put the Ecosoft shower conditioner and then a shower filter unless you've got very high pressure, all right? Or you'll just feel it in the shower, it'll take the pressure away from you. And I would only use the Ecosoft if I was on bore water, just straight bore water. If you're in a capital city and you've got chemically treated water, chlorine, chloramine added to the water, I'd be using a shower filter to get the chemical out before the hard water, before treating the hard water, okay? Hard water's a problem, we all know that, but if we have got issues with other, i.e. chemicals in the water, I'd always pull the chemical out first. So once we've got the thread tape on there, we simply screw the Ecosoft on. It's a 1/2 inch BSP thread, very popular and simple in Australia. There's a couple of slots on each side where we're able to get a tool on there, and once it's into place, we just screw him up nice and tight where we want him. Not crazily firm. All we want to do is seal it on there. Once he's sealed, obviously we need some plumber's thread tape on this thread here as well. All threads will require some plumber's thread tape to seal because they're obviously holding the water. So we give it a good old wrap around, and then we apply our Australian shower arm straight back on to here, okay? Round we go. Okay. Just spin him around till it's nice and vertical. You may want the crescent or the spanner to tighten it up. Don't over tighten it. You can always put extra thread tape on if you're having trouble getting the line, but that's how I would adjust it as well, with extra thread tape if I couldn't get it in the correct position. But there you go, simple as that. The Eco Shower Filter Conditioner is now installed, and we just simply turn the water on, and the mineral will be treated as it flows through that device and give you a much better shower, and even help inside the shower a bit. All the best, thank you.